Hello everyone, start off by tying a ponytail, then tie a rubber band in the middle and then lift it upwards. Add a decorative clip to it. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, loosen it slightly, make a hole in the side using your fingers and then pull the hair through. We are essentially rolling the hair in on itself. Then make a braid and then roll it upwards. Use a decorative clip to fasten it in its place. Start off by braiding the hair towards one side and then pin it upwards. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Roll it in on itself. Take a section from the left side and then braid the hair. Do the same on the right side as well. Roll this upwards. Now pin it up. Add a decorative clip once you're done. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Once more, take a multiple prong pin and then pin it into place. Braid the rest of the hair and fasten it in its place. Start off by tying a ponytail, make a division in the hair and then roll the hair in on itself. Bridge the gap that is present in the hair, tie a rubber band to the middle, make a hole in the hair and then roll the hair in on itself. Loosen the middle by using your fingers. Roll the rest of the hair upwards and then add a decorative clip at the top. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back as such. Once you are done with this, roll the hair in on itself. Tie a ponytail at the base and then add a rubber band at the base. Once more, make a hole and then put the rest of the hair through. Lift it up and then tie it up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. Take two sections from either side of the hair and then put them one on top of the other. Take two more sections from either side and then make a braid from it. Continue until you reach the bottom. Loosen it using your fingers. Roll it up slightly and then add a decorative pin. Take two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself and then take two more sections right underneath it, tie it up and once more roll it in. Loosen it using your fingers as such. Take two more sections and once more repeat the step at the bottom. Taking the last section finally, do this until you reach the base. Once more, pull out the strands using your fingers. Add a decorative clip. Take two sections from either side of the hair and then flip the hair inwards. Tie a low ponytail at the bottom and then add a rubber band at the base. Roll it upwards into a bun-like shape and then add a multiple prong pin. Start off by tying a ponytail. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Comb in the gap. Divide the hair into two sections and then begin to fishtail braid the hair. Once you are done with this, roll the hair upwards, tie a rubber band to it and then add a decorative clip. Divide the front section of the hair into two parts and leave it aside. Tie a ponytail at the back as such. Now braid the sides of the hair, loosen it using your fingers. Finally, attach both of these at the back ponytail. Make two braids using two sections in the front. As for the back, tie a ponytail and then roll the ponytail upwards into the hair, making a bun shape. Tie it up accordingly. Wrap the braids around this bun. Thank you for watching.